Where you can get the most value today is using AI to accelerate your thinking. Do you want to be a better leader, decision maker, strategist, tactician? Sure, you do. If you are a leader in your company and you want to do these things more effectively, you want to be better at delegating, at feedback delivery, at motivating your team, better at hiring, better at setting goals. All of these things you can do using AI, because here is the mindset shift I want to give to you. What if you had unlimited access to Peter Drucker for strategy and management decisions, or Chris Voss for negotiation and sales, or Warren Buffett for investment decisions? What if you could call up Warren Buffett at any time and say, "Hey, Warren, we're thinking about purchasing this other company, or this capital investment. What do you think about this? How would this look for our company? Where am I making mistakes? What am I not thinking of? Where are the other blind spots I might have?" What if you could call up Malcolm Gladwell about your market insights? What if you could call up Ray Dalio for systems thinking, or Brene Brown for leadership and culture? What if all these people were at your fingertips where you could ask them anything about your thinking and about how you could make best decisions? How much would that be worth to you? And how much would it be worth to your company more broadly? And I'm sure the answer is basically a pretty penny. That would be worth a good amount, right? You already have access to all of these people. Yes, you do. All of the world's experts, professionals, thought leaders, they are encoded in this AI model inside of this black box. Now, the challenge for us is we need to know how to get the insights out of the model so that it does give us the advice and the wisdom of Warren Buffett, for instance. The second piece, which is maybe even more important, we have to remember to use these tools. If you didn't catch our session on developing an AI culture and how you actually implement this into your company, please feel free to go check back on that.